What is up, everyone? This is MoTutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to open the mods folder in Minecraft on your Windows device. So let's get right into this. So all you need to do is go to your search bar here and type in run, and then basically type in %, local app data, %, right? This is the easiest way to get to your Minecraft folder. Once you're here, you want to go one step back because you want to open up roaming from app data. Once you're in here, you're going to see it's the first one. It's called .minecraft. And in here, you're going to see a mods folder. And if you do not see a mods folder, you can just literally make a new folder at the top and just call it mods. And then just put all your mods over here. This is directly linked to your Minecraft account, so it will install, and then you'll see your mods basically just pop up over there. That's all you need to do once you guys do the steps. And again, you can find and download all the mods online. There's a bunch of websites where you can get mods from. Basically, download them, install them over here, and then that's basically it. Turn on Minecraft from the launcher. You guys should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please thumbs up, go on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. I'm MoTutorials out. Peace.